So I got Tacoma SR5, it's 2017. And today I'm going to be replacing these switches here from the originals. As you can see, it's only automatic, and that's actually only automatic down. It won't let me automatic up. So I wanted to switch to have all four automatic down and up. I've discovered that there's a difference between the SR5s and TRDs. So I made sure I purchased the right one on Amazon. It costed me about 60 bucks. So here it is. Got the right connector right there. So to do this, it's actually pretty simple. Lift it just a bit, slide that under, and just work it on the sides. So it pops right out. Disconnect this one. This one is an easy disconnect. The other one's a little bit harder. When I first disconnected it, right here, it seems like you just push that and it pops right out. But there's a little tab in there that you gotta push enough with actually a good amount of force so that it disconnects properly. So, give it a shot right now. There we go. I guess it was easier this time since I already pulled it out last time. I gotta go get a screwdriver so I can disconnect. As you can see, it's just simple removal of those 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now that I got my handy dandy fancy Stanley screwdriver, take these screws out one by one. See if I can do it with one hand. Always put the screws in one place so you don't lose them. See, it's magnetic. So fancy. All right. Now it just comes right off. So, place it with the new one. All right, fitting it back was just as easy. Put all the screws back in place. Want to make sure it works. All is well. Let's give it a test run. All right. Quite nice. 10 out of 10. Definitely worth it. Just pops right back and we're done. Thanks for watching, guys.